Do subscribe our Techno Guru class channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hey, hi, hello friends, this is Hitesh here. Welcome to our Techno Guru class and to the Python for Beginners series. Here in this point of tutorial, I'll tell you about functions. Functions, it's a non-user defined function, guys. This is something inbuilt function for your string. Okay, as I told you in my previous video. So I'll just show you some functions over here. For that I need some string. I'll just take one string, that is str. If I'll just display the string, you can see it is the same that I have taken as it is over here. Okay, now I'll just show you some functions over here. Let's see one function. I'll show you str dot, it's upper. Okay, so you can see if you write upper, you can see that if everything over here has been converted to uppercase over here. Okay, and there are some more str dot, let's say lower. Okay, if you just press enter, you can see everything becomes lower over here. Okay, cool. Here are some functions that we can use to check that string as well. Like if you want to check whether that given string is number, is it alphanumeric, is it what do you say, alphabet. Okay, so all those things you can just check over here. So let me just show you those functions over here. I'll just try str dot is alpha. Okay, so what happens is through this you can just find out alpha. Okay, so this will give you false over here. Okay, so is alpha means it's alphanumeric or what I'm trying to check over here. Okay, you can just have one more function over here like str dot is you'll get all those functions over here, guys. So like if you just want to check, so you can just check over here is lower is one function. So if you just press enter, you can see uh, currently your string is not everything in lowercase. So what I can just show you is like str one. I'll take one string, I'll just keep everything in lowercase. I'll just put over here techno guru. Okay, so if I try to just check this, is it in lowercase, just to show you for your confirmation. Yeah, it will show you it's true. Why? Because everything is in lowercase over here. Fine, cool. I'll just show you one more function is there is, and you can say title. Okay, now what is title over here? Title means, you know what is basically title. Title means each and every character, uh, not each and every, I mean the beginning, the initial character of each word should be capital. So you can just check. I just checked for str, and str is having that title kind of thing over here. Okay, so that you can check. As you did for upper and lower, you converted it. You can see if I just use is lower to check. That way you can use is upper also to check. So it will give basically false. Why? Because this everything is not in capital letter over here. Cool. Fine. I'll just show you one more thing. I'll just take one more weight string, and in that I'll just show like 56. And this 56 is stored in string, although it is specified as string, but that what we have inside is that is integer. Okay, so what we can do is we can just check whether it is uh, numeric. Okay, so I'll just show you. So yeah, it's numeric. str2 I just checked, and else if you'll just check for techno guru, I mean that str is numeric. If I try to take this will give you false. Correct? So that way, these are some string that, I mean functions that you can use. Okay, let's jump to some other functions over here. I'll just show you some other functions. There are a few functions like join. Okay, I'll just show you that str. Okay, uh, firstly I'll just show you techno guru is there. Okay, so what I try to do is I'll just take one more another string. So let's say str equals to, I'll just write techno. Okay, so str is changed now. So if you try to display str, you'll get techno now. um, cool. Next, let's see, I'll just show you a join function. What happens is, how join function works is, I'll just write double inverted comma dot join, and in this I will put my string. Okay, I'll just put str, and if I press enter, you see what happens is, I'll explain you, but I'll just show you once output for this. Here, here what happens is, this character is basically added after each and every character of the string. So after T we added the space, after E added space, after C we added space, so that way. And I'll just show you, if I take double A, so you can see if I try to join this and I just pass str in this, you can see after each and every character that double A has been displayed over here, that way. Next function I'll show you. Here this was for join. Now let's say I'll just show you one more function over here. I'll just put something over here. Let's say welcome to Techno Guru class. Okay, assume this is one string. Okay, I'll just put something over here. str dot split. Now what is a split? Split means by default it will, I mean, take a separator as space, and it will create a, you can say, list. Okay, so you don't know basically list. What is list? I'll tell you what is list. I'll give you an example over here itself. Okay, so here you can see something that is, it's kind of array, you can see. If you know what is array in Java and C, so it's the same, that everything has been taken as one entity. Okay, so it has been basically stored in, we can say, a particular index. Okay, if you want that this string should be splitted at a particular character, like let's say it should be splitted whenever you'll get, let's say, a. Okay, so what happens in this case? Okay, you can see uh, here you can see whenever I'll get first a, at that moment it will split my string. So here first value is still cl. Okay, and then after you got a, so it got splitted over here. So that way the concept is of here. So I'll just show you one more string if you want for more in detail. So there, um, I hope you understand. I don't think that, because I'm not getting any particular word there where I'll get some recurring characters. So and this is this much. You saw this. These are the main functions that what you got up at the top. And rest I'll just show you one thing over here. Like whenever you need some functions, if you don't remember those functions, so you can just trace out from here. You'll get, once you just put that dot, you'll get all functions over here. So is digit, is decimal, is alpha, is al, alnum, is index. So these all are the functions that you can use, guys. So you don't need to, I mean, remember everything, but these are some basics that I told you that you should know at least, and rest you can just trace out from, as I told you how to do that. So in string function, this much only. Thank you for watching, guys.